How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where TikTok Shop is not showing up on your app. This is a problem many users face, but don't worry, I've got you covered with the best solution, so let's dive right in. Before we jump into troubleshooting, it's important to check if TikTok Shop is available in your region. TikTok Shop is currently rolled out only in selected countries. If you're outside of these regions, the feature might not be available for you yet. Make sure that TikTok Shop is supported in your country by visiting the TikTok website or checking the app's help section. If it's not available in your region, unfortunately, you won't be able to access the TikTok Shop until it's rolled out there. If TikTok Shop is available in your area but you're still not seeing it, the next step is to ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, simply update it. Another thing you can try is clearing the TikTok app's cache. This can help if there are any bugs or temporary issues causing the TikTok Shop not to show up. Open the TikTok app. Head over to your profile, tap on three dots, go to settings and privacy, go to simply clear cache option. Here free up space. As you can see cache, simply click on clear cache, and that's it. Next, what you can do is sometimes account related settings can interfere with TikTok Shop visibility. Make sure your account is visible to use TikTok Shop. Go to privacy and security settings. Make sure your account is set up as business account. And if you're trying to sell on TikTok Shop, also check that your account doesn't have any restrictions or penalties. And that's it. These are some of the steps you can take to simply make TikTok Shop working in your phone.